Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming eligibility and gathering proof. This saves time. Sign in to account. Microsoft. Com with the subscription owner email, then open Services and Subscriptions. Once done, locate the Microsoft 365 line item and note the order number and purchase date. Make sure your payment method details are handy because refunds usually return to the original card or account. If a different payer bought it, get permission or have them sign in so you avoid delays. Now request the refund directly from the subscription page. Click Cancel, then choose Request a Refund if presented. You'll select a reason and verify the refundable amount. Make sure to read any pro rata calculations so you understand what you'll get back. Confirm the original payment method to expedite processing. If the refund option isn't shown, use the Get Help or Contact Support link. Start a chat with the virtual agent and request escalation to billing. This often resolves locked or legacy subscriptions. Finish by tracking the refund and verifying your statement. Banks commonly take 3 to 30 business days. You should receive an email confirmation with a reference number, save it and take screenshots of the refund page. If the refund is denied, don't panic. Appeal with the order ID and proof of cancellation, or ask for store credit if that's acceptable. If problems persist, escalate to billing support and request a supervisor. This is often the fastest way to resolve stuck transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.